Hi you all, so today I'm back with another video. You can call it my another experiment. So this is rubbery bread roll. You can make it very easily at home. You can serve it like rasmalai or a mithai if you freeze it. So let's get started. First of all, let's take 3 to 4 cups of milk in a container and let it get heated up. Then we have to put around 2 tablespoons sugar in it, dissolve it well. Follow it with 2 to 3 elaichis crushed, or you could also use elaichi powder in it. It's completely according to your convenience. Now we have to boil it and keep it simmering for a while. We have to mix it all the way and we have to make it thicker. You know, when you boil your milk and it reduces in its volume and it's get a little bit yellow, that's what we are trying to get here. You will eventually start noticing how the milk has started reducing and it is getting thicker and a little yellowish in color if you'll observe very closely. We have to continue this process for at least 5 to 7 minutes. It will help us to get a very nice soothing elaichi flavor in the milk, and it will thicken it up, which will give us the rubbery so perfectly. You're gonna love it. After a while, turn off the gas and let it cool down. Now take another utensil and 4 tablespoons of ghee in it. Now follow it with 1 cup of milk powder and start mixing it as soon as possible because this burns out really very quickly. You have to be very careful with this process. You don't have to burn it, you have to keep the flame at very low. Once it starts looking like this, you have to stop making it and we have to continue the procedure. You have to take this mawa or this dried milk mixture we made and you have to press it down into small roll-like structures. You will have to make this mawa thing very carefully, otherwise it will be very hard to make it this stable. Moving on, we need a slice of bread and we have to cut its edges for the roll. Make sure to cut it very nicely, otherwise the bread may break and it's hard to make rolls from it. Now we have to put a little water over it because we have to pin it down to a very thin slice of bread. Now take the roll we made earlier and roll it into the bread. This is how it should look like. Now we have to put the rolls into the rubbery and we have to put it very carefully because the rolls are not cooked. We just have to put it very nicely and cover it from all the sides with the rubbery. We can also garnish it with some dry fruits. For me, pista is the best option I could find. You can put any you want to. And here, this is how easy it is to make a dessert at home, just for any occasion you want to. You have to dip it in the rubbery for at least 15 to 20 minutes. You can put it in the fridge and yes, it is ready to serve. Enjoy!